Dual-Wing Expandable House, innovative design and modular emergency architecture. The Dual-Wing Expandable House is a groundbreaking emergency structure inspired by bionic principles and dynamic modular technology. Its core design draws from the wing-expanding mechanics of insects, utilizing deployable, dual-wing units to achieve rapid spatial expansion and functional upgrades. This structure can be swiftly assembled, relocated, and disassembled, making it suitable for diverse applications such as housing expansion, temporary accommodation, tourism resorts, and emergency shelters. It creates a natural, boundary-defying living space for occupants. Constructed with a high-strength aluminum alloy frame and eco-friendly composite panels, the Dual-Wing Expandable House is lightweight, durable, environmentally sustainable, and fully recyclable. Move into a new home in just one day. Simply place it on leveled ground without complex foundation work. The house can be equipped with bathrooms, air conditioning, underfloor heating, and other amenities, meeting refined interior standards. Premium models even rival the comfort of hotel accommodations. Welcome to contact us for inquiries and orders.